Welcome to RILM Abstracts of Music Literature with Full Text, the full-text enhancement of our global bibliography of writings on music with fully searchable journals published in over 40 countries from the early 20th century to the present. The full-text articles cover all areas of music scholarship: musicology, ethnomusicology, theory, pedagogy, performance, and other subjects as they pertain to music research. RILM Abstracts with Full Text offers the complete content of each full-text journal contained therein, from the first published issue, cover to cover. Aside from articles and reviews, there are tables of contents, editorials, obituaries, correspondence, news, advertisements, and title pages. On EBSCOhost, users can easily browse content, do refined searches, download PDFs, and organize, bookmark, highlight, annotate, and share their bibliographies and full texts with other registered users. Now, let us do a search for a specific journal title, issue, or article by browsing the list of full-text journals from the product title list. If you know the exact title of the journal you are looking for example, Flower World, you can type the first words of the title in the Browse field and click Browse, or browse by the letter of the alphabet. Click on the journal title and you will see the coverage dates and bibliographic information, as well as the links to all of the journal issues. If you want to browse through all of the articles in the entire journal run, click on the highlighted full-text coverage date range. Clicking on the specific issue brings you to the complete annotated list of records in the specific issue, cover to cover. You can filter the list of records within the journal or its particular issue by subject or language. Opening the specific article provides the full bibliographic information, English and foreign language abstract, and indexed subject terms. The features on the right side menu bar enable you to save, annotate, and bookmark, cite, print, email the record, and create a note. The full-text PDF can be accessed from the left side of the bibliographic record. You can read the article directly from the preview, but you can also download it, print it, organize, cite, or export it. Optical character recognition of raft PDFs allow users to find any word or phrase within the full text, both within the PDF you are viewing by searching through Ctrl F, and within a broader search, which we will demonstrate in a moment. On the left side of the PDF preview, you can see and access full-text content of other articles in this volume, or choose and view another issue of the same journal. Each one of Raft's PDFs is linked with and searchable via RILM's indexed and abstracted bibliographic records, thus enhancing its value from solely a bibliographic and reference tool to the direct research source. We will now show how to find the full-text content relevant to the specific search criteria. If you are looking only for full-text materials, you will want to limit your search on the New Search page to full-text records. You can do so by scrolling down to Search Options and clicking the checkbox for full text in the left side menu. As mentioned in the previous part of this presentation, you can search for a specific word or phrase throughout all PDFs by checking off the box Also Search within the full text of the articles on the right side of the Search Options window. If you want to further limit your search to specific languages, document types, topics, or years of publication, you can do so by clicking on appropriate boxes on this page. Now type the search terms of your choice in the search fields on the top. Let's look for a rather rarely researched topic: wedding lament in Estonia. If you run a basic search for the term wedding, lament, and Estonia, you will get a few dozen records in which the three words appear either in the title, abstract, index, or the full-text PDF. If you limit your search to full text, in the left side menu bar, you see the records available with attached PDF for your instant viewing. If you want to limit your search only to records that are focused on Estonian weddings, change the search category next to the search terms Wedding and Estonia to SU subject. 8 records, one of which is available in PDF, are specifically dedicated to Estonian weddings and mention lament somewhere in the record. Search results can be further refined on the left side menu bar by publication date, type of publication, subject, and language. You can run similar searches for publications by specific authors, publishers, languages, document types, or years in any combination of searching criteria and filters. Thank you for your interest in RILM abstracts with full text. If you would like to learn more about it, view the list of full-text journals and the detailed information about their coverage, please visit rilm.org/fulltext. You can browse through the entire list alphabetically by title by clicking Show All Full-Text Journals. Selecting a specific highlighted title opens a window with bibliographic information, coverage, and a brief description of the character, content, and the history of the journal. Here you can also see various versions of the journal. You can also search for a journal according to specific parameters such as title, publisher, language, or country. For inquiries and suggestions, contact us at fulltext.journals@rilm.org.